Okay, good morning everyone. So it's day 8 and we are fully energetic today because yesterday we did Khardungla Pass. So we are very happy right now, and we are also happy because today we are going to Pangong Lake. So Pangong Lake is that lake which you have already know. 3 Idiots की वहीं पे shooting हुई थी. So guys, Pangong Lake is almost 150 kilometers from Leh, but it's a bright sunny morning today and it's day 8 and it's 1st of July 2017. It's very bright morning out there. Just slept like almost 8 hours. Now we are very much energetic because yesterday सबकी सांस फूल गई थी, बहुत ठंड हो गई थी. खारदुंगला में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है. सो खारदुंगला पास को अचीव करना एक नॉर्मल बात नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स ये येस्टरडे वी रियलाइज्ड एवरीवन. सो इस टाइप के मौसम में, स्नोफॉल के मौसम में बाइक चलाना और बर्फ़ पे बाइक बहुत ज़्यादा स्कीड हुई कल. हम दोनों को थोड़ी बहुत लगी भी है, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ राइड, बट इट्स ओके. अभी नाउ वी ऑल आर वेल. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू पैंगोंग. वील बी हैविंग अ ब्रेकफास्ट इन हाफ एन आवर. सो अभी सब थोड़ा बहुत सब पैक करेंगे. सामान हम यहीं रख के जाएंगे. So Pangong में we'll be staying tonight and tomorrow morning we'll be coming to Leh. So let's get ready and everything is good, all well, all set. Okay, now so guys, it's 12 in the afternoon. We all are left for Pangong Lake. So before going to Pangong Lake, we need to refuel. We need to refill the engine oil on all the bikes except Ajay's bike. बिकॉज इसकी बाइक कल नहीं चढ़ी थी खारदुंगला, तो उसके लिए इसका इंजन ऑयल अभी ठीक है, नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा ही है. सो दैट्स द प्लान एंड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली ऑल्सो. एंड ये एज यू कैन सी हैंडल गार्ड्स बिल्कुल टूट चुके हैं. कल खारदुंगला में 2 बार बाइक गिर गई थी, तो इस वजह से इनका नट बहुत ही लूज़ हो चुका है. एंड दोनों ही हैंड गार्ड्स एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज़ द राइट वन, दिस इज़ द लेफ्ट वन, वो नट टूट चुके हैं. इनका टाइट करवाऊँगा. And then after all these stuffs, we will leave for Pangong, now in the streets of Leh Ladakh, and let's meet you whatever the first stop comes first. Okay guys, now so we have done with the service, engine oil and सब कुछ चेक कर लिया एक बार हमने तो. और hand guards now fixed. This is the shop, Amarjit Motorcycle and Spare. So now we are leaving and we need to refuel. So this is the petrol pump and the bike is in reserve mode, so I need to refuel. So Kapil bhai is also refueling. So let's see. Okay, now so we have refueled and as you can see, wonderful flags, Lam Don. I don't know the meaning of this, maybe in Tibetan language it has been written. So now this is the route to Pangong and what a wonderful view this is. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. If you are coming from Leh to Pangong, so there is a petrol pump in Karoo, so you can fill your tank over here. This is the petrol pump. Now as you can see, Changla is 43 kilometer, the Pangong Lake 113 kilometers from here. Pangong Lake you have to go straight. Pangong Lake यही है. So now I think अब यहाँ से रोड जो है वो टफ होने वाली है.
as we will be facing Changla Pass. तो of course वो जो रोड होगी वो of course पहाड़ों से जाती हुई पास तक पहुंचेगी और उसके आगे पैंगोंग जो भी है. So of course the road will be tougher, but we are much tougher than the roads and than the weather, because yesterday we did Khardungla and it was like a dream come true for everyone. And Khardungla कर लिया तो Changla ज़रूर हो जाएगा. We have been driving on this road for the last 15 minutes and it's totally bad. खराब है बहुत ज़्यादा. The speed is just 20. Oh man. What a beautiful road. Thumbs up to all the riders. Wonderful view, wonderful road. Now the actual road comes. This is the view. I saw a board, it says Changla is 33 kilometers. From that board now it is 32 kilometers. But we already know that जब pass होते हैं that takes a lot of time, because Khardungla, we did Khardungla yesterday, 80 kilometers up and down, and it was like the whole day. We started our journey from Leh at around 10:30 in the morning and we reached back to Leh at 9 p.m. in the evening. Almost took us 10.5 hours. So that is the reason. So now Changla is 33 and I think it would take around 5 hours if the road condition is good. Now we have to go from this route and it's simply off-roading. It's totally off-road. Oh. So guys, as you can see, again a wonderful view. And now it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and do you really feel like it's 5 p.m. in the evening? So that is the difference between mountains and the plains. As you can see, snow is on the mountains. So पहाड़ पे जितनी बाइक हाइट पे जाती है उतना ही प्यास लगती है. That's why I'm feeling again thirsty. Now the mistake I did is I didn't fill the petrol up to full. So that is the problem. So now we can't go back and we have to go ahead because it's already late, and 16 kilometers पहले पीछे जाना and that too in that bad roads is not possible. So what we have decided, and we have inquired from other people, that you may get petrol from other riders or from other cars, and कुछ लोग black में बेचते हैं in case of emergency, तो so they charge high. So let's see कितना चलता है. now अभी तो I think 8-9 लीटर है बाइक पे. अभी और कितना चलेगा I seriously don't know. What a treat to watch this view. Awesome, fabulous. Now the road is so tough. Oh man, road है ही नहीं, basically it's totally off road. Let's see how my bike performs. Yesterday she did well. Oh my god, another water crossing, and I have to say oh, that was good. Okay guys, so now we just stopped to change my battery. One of the batteries is exhausted now from Leh to this point. So as you can see, it's one of the toughest roads, not one of the toughest we had already faced yesterday. But what a look at the wonderful view, snow-capped mountains, everything is so perfect. I think this is just a fresh snow. 2-3 दिन पहले स्नोफॉल हुई आई थिंक यहाँ पे तो, बट होपफुली आज सन था इसलिए ये सारी स्नो मेल्ट हो गई. अदरवाइज वी हैड टू फेस स्नो, तो एटलीस्ट वी आर नॉट फेसिंग स्नो. ओह माय गॉड, इट्स टफ. फर्स्ट गियर पे पता नहीं कब से है बाइक. फर्स्ट सेकंड So as you can see, this is fresh. This is totally fresh snow. Oh, that's good. That's a nice feeling. Wonderful view. Oh, what a wonderful view at Changla. So Changla is just this. So we are reaching Changla. Oh, that's nice. That's wonderful. Oh man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Seriously, pathetic. So guys, we are at the third highest pass in the world, and that is Changla Pass. It's difficult, it's tough. Look at the wonderful view. The flags are flying. This is the world's highest restaurant. So guys, we are at the 17,590 feet. As you can see, I think there was avalanche at that place, but look at the beautiful view. Snow-capped mountains. The bikes are parked. It's for army vehicles only, but we are here just to shoot. Now we are leaving. We didn't stop here for the break in the cafeteria because we are already late and we have to reach Pangong as soon as possible. And as you can see, we are getting ready. He's ready also. Thumbs up to all the people. And all set. It's 6:20 in the evening and it doesn't look like it's 6:20. And it's almost 85 kilometers till now, and we have done 1586 kilometers till now from Delhi. So let's go. So we are bye bye to third highest pass in the world, that is Changla. Okay, let's do it. Oh, come on. Oh man, it's difficult. Oh, I've crossed it. Oh, snow is melting. That's why we have to face these water crossings every now and then. It's difficult. You have to balance your bike. You have to balance yourself. That's tough, man. Oh, lag gayi. Oh. We just stopped here for some refreshment, and thanks to Indian Army who gave us black tea and some biscuits and some dry fruits. Thank you so much, the army personnel. It's 7:15 in the evening. The sun is on the mountains and the moon is on the sky. So I have never seen this type of view in normal cities. And let's go. So from here, Pangong is 65 kilometers. Okay, so guys, we have reached Tangse, and यहाँ से Pangong is almost 45 kilometers. Sorry, 35 kilometers. 45 वहाँ से था दुर्बुक से. So what a wonderful view. It's 9 p.m. in the night. You can still see the daylight. That's one of the features of the nature. And now the roads are very much better after so many water crossings and after so many bad roads. Finally we got the good roads. Okay guys, so just half an hour to reach Pangong Lake. Oh, my head is paining right now. too cold out there. Last time when we asked the temperature from the army personals, it was -3. Oh. So now it's almost -4, -5. It's too cold, man. It's too cold. Oh, I'll meet you once I reach Pangong. Bye bye. Okay, guys, it's 12 in the midnight, as you can see, and I'm not shooting from a DSLR because it's not possible to take out DSLR and then charge the battery and all thing. Even the GoPro battery is not working fine. It's too cold out there and ride बहुत ज़्यादा tiring हो गई है. ठंड लग गई है, मेरा सिर बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द हो रहा था. So we reached here at 9 PM in the evening and बस मैं आते ही सो गया. बहुत ज़्यादा सर दर्द था. और we had our dinner was दाल चावल रोटी जो बेसिक होता है वो खाई, कॉफ़ी पी, सैराडॉन की टैबलेट लिए मैंने ताकि मेरा सर दर्द ठीक हो. अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलीफ है. सो नाउ फ़ोन की सब बैटरीज बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं. जितनी भी बैटरी चार्ज की थी वो सब डाउन हो गई. यहाँ पे कोई चार्जिंग पोर्ट नहीं है. सो नाउ आई एम चार्जिंग माई बैटरी फ्रॉम माई लैपटॉप. सो हाफ प्रॉबेबली 15-20 मिनट ही चलेगा लैपटॉप क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो भी ख़राब, उसका भी बंद हो चुका बैकअप. So this is my room. As you can see, me and Ajay are staying together. Rest all 3 riders are staying in adjacent room. So ये बहुत ही रॉ रूम लिया हमने ताकि हम फील ले पाएँ पैंगोंग आए हैं. तो वैसे भी it was 9, so कोई रूम मिल नहीं रहा था उस टाइम, और जो ये मिला इसमें ओके किया हमने. So it's goodbye, it's good night, and ride safe, ride happy. And stay confident, and please wear your riding gears. And again, if you're coming to Pangong, don't forget to take your inners, take your monkey caps and all, because here it's also below 0 degree. So be prepare yourself for Ladakh or for any places nearby to Ladakh. Tomorrow morning I'll meet you. Bye bye for the first view of Pangong Lake. Bye bye. Okay guys, so you just saw the beautiful sunrise and it was really awesome. The sun is just in front of my bed. This is the bed. Everything is just messed up अभी. सब एकदम से सब पैक करने वाले हैं. And this is the room. So this is the view. तभी ये room लिया था हम लोगों ने. So now we are done with the daily routine and we'll be taking a breakfast and coffee. Because ठंड है बहुत ज़्यादा. And we'll be going to 3 Idiots Point. So 3 Idiots Point पे वहाँ पे we'll be clicking pictures and I'll make a short vlog there also. What a beautiful view of Pangong Lake. Early morning, it's 7:30 AM in the morning and we have left from our room. I can't say that hotel, but it's just a room, and the service was good. How clean this lake is, man. And so now we are going to 3 Idiots shooting point. From this hotel, it is from this room actually, it's almost 5 kilometers, 4-5 kilometers. So we have done 1661 kilometers from Delhi and Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary. What a perfect view, perfect morning. बहुत ही प्यारा व्यू, बहुत ही अच्छा. ओहो, yesterday was too hectic, but now I can say that hecticness was worth. Okay guys, so we have finally reached Pangong Lake. As you can see, it's a beautiful lake, and as we have parked our bikes here, so this is the way. So we are not supposed to take that bike over there because it's not allowed according to the local people, and if we will take the bike over there, they will charge us 5,000 penalty. I'm not sure whether this information is correct or not. I'll meet you when I'll reach there. We have finally reached this spot. This is the 3 Idiots spot. As you can see, the wonderful lake, and the whole of the ambience is so positive, so energetic. Sound of the lake is amazing. बहुत ही प्यारी सी sound है. Wow. हल्का हल्का पानी की आवाज़. Wow. This is the spot. This is the scooter which Kareena Kapoor used. ये उसका हेलमेट भी बड़ा रखा है. The helmet, as you can see. Okay guys, so it was a wonderful moment for all of us, and we took memorable shots, memorable videos, and we are taking very golden memories with us, and I'm really happy with that. And now it's 10:15 in the morning, and we are all set to go back to Leh, our hotel.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
So Leh is 115 kilometers from here, and it's 11:45 in the morning, and look at the view. What a beautiful view. Yesterday we were here at the night, and now we are here in the day. So दोनों इच्छाएं पूरी हो गई दिन रात वाली पैंगोंग के रास्ते को देखने की. Look at the wonderful view. What a beautiful view. Basically guys, Pangong Lake is in Lukung. So Lukung is a place. So from here Durbuk is 3 kilometers. This is the monastery sort of. So we have to take this left for Leh. So guys, we have reached Changla Pass again. I am really thankful to my baby who was performing so well. And it's almost 12:45 in the morning, and it's like it's breathing very slow, but it's good. Guys, one more thing, please bring your shades and at least UV protected. I have Ray-Ban with me, so you can take any normal shades also, but that has to be UV protected. So finally I got a petrol pump. और अभी कितने रुपए लीटर है यहाँ? हाँ 71 रुपीज़ लीटर. ऑलमोस्ट रीचिंग ले. सो 500 रुपये का तेल डलवा रहा हूँ. सो आई रिफ्यूल्ड एंड नाउ ले इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 20 किलोमीटर्स. सो गाइज, एज यू कैन सी, बाइक पे थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, एंड आई न्यू कि कुछ ना कुछ तो उसमें ख़राबी थी. अंदर की एक वायर जल गई थी, वो फटाफट उन्होंने सही से रिपेयर कर दिया. इट वॉज जस्ट 5 मिनट्स वर्क. बट प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि इसका शॉकर लीक हो गया. एज यू कैन सी ये सही है बिल्कुल, और ये देखो इसके शॉकर का ऑयल लीक हो गया. सो नाउ भैया इज़ getting the bike fixed, so it will take almost 15-20 minutes. भी शॉकर का ऑयल नया पड़ेगा, वो बेसिकली शॉकर नया पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ माई बाइक राइट नाउ. क्या कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बाइक एक जगह बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर स्किड कर गई थी, गड्ढे में चली गई थी बाइक. ओके, इन वाटर क्रॉसिंग. That was pathetic. So that was the issue. Okay guys, now the bike is fixed and now I'm leaving for the hotel. Okay guys, now thank you. भैया ने थोड़ी हेल्प की सामान निकालने में. Now I have finally reached to my hotel and this is the hotel view. Ajay's bike, Kapil bhai and Sangram's bike. This is the dining area. I haven't show you the view of my hotel from the past 3 days. Sorry for that. This is the reception and this is Kapil bhai, Sangram and Subhash bhai's room. My room is upstairs. 5:30 in the evening and see sun is still shining. So now this is my room. Ajay is sleeping because he was very tired.